Okay, Paul here, and today on the bench, I've got this cool Motorola. It's a AC/DC Motorola, 117 volt, pre-1940s, and it's a 57X12 model, and it had a bad filter capacitor, which is causing a hum, so it actually just had a 40 microfarad and two 20 microfarads in one case, and of course, that's all gone. Most of these, well, actually, all these wax capacitors were gone. There were two sticking straight up in the air. This one was desoldered, and that one was dissoldered. I just tacked that one back on because I got to change these capacitors. They're definitely short, and I jumpered that one rather than tacking it on. So, because it was hard to get in there, I'm like, well, I'll just wait till I change it. But I've got to change those 7 capacitors. We're doing a voltage check there. But there's the new capacitors I put in, and you can see the difference inside as your comparison. Today's versus back in the day. Nice Mallory, but cardboard, tubular, electrolytic. Anyway, got that done. There has been a little bit of damage in here. Some dry rot, probably a mouse chewed on that speaker cone. You see the little holes. Either that or bookworms got a hold of it. I see the cone has got, the felt has got a little bit of chewing too. It could have been bugs. It could have been a mouse. I don't know, but speaker's dry. It is working as far as it's not rubbing on the voice coil, which is good. I'm going to have to try to find this speaker, or I could temporarily repair it so that it'll at least play. I'll show you what it's doing. Let me go ahead and turn it back on here. On my voltage up. It's going to sound a little bad because I haven't changed those capacitors yet. I'm putting 110 volts into it. It's rated 117, so, and we'll turn it on. And give the tubes a second to warm up. And it's an All-American 5. Actually, yeah, All-American 5. It's your standard tube lineup. Most popular one, which is 12SA7. Oh, there's the schematic. 12SA7, 12SK7, 12SQ7, 50L6 for the output power amplifier, and a 35Z5 for the rectifier. But you can hear how that sounds. That's those capacitors. They're leaky as anything. But it's got some reception. And of course, after I change the caps, I'll have to do an IF tuning. It's probably not going to pull anything in with those old caps and no external antenna. You hear that popping? That's those caps leaking DC. Get back over here to our local station. Oh, there's something distant. So anyway, that's the radio. The case is not in bad shape. It does have a crack on the side here, which I might be able to keep it closed with a little bit of epoxy in there. My glasses are in the back there, sorry about that. But yeah, it's a nice case, and owner doesn't want to paint it or anything. I don't blame him. I think that's neat. It looks cool just the way it is. And it's got that dashboard look, so it's a really nice one. Being a Motorola with the dashboard, it's a nice radio. Good tube layout. Now it does have some other, let me shut my power down here. It does have some other issues. I can get this out of the way. Not too bad. but you see that coil was chewed on there. And of course, that's the output transformer for the speaker. And I'm hoping that that's a standard 4 ohm, 8 ohm speaker, but I might just try to repair it. The tops of those two metal tubes got a little rust. That's no big deal. I'll clean all this up. I always clean them up anyway. It's got a nice antenna. The cardboard's a little warped, but that's just from age and shrinking. Has a tube layout on the back. So it's a nice radio, and we will get it playing fine. I just got to change those caps, do an IF tune, clean it up, and then either check with the owner and see if he wants me to fix the speaker or try to find one online, a replacement speaker. The screw holes have to be 3 5/16 apart in order to line up with the plate of the dial indicator there. And it's a low profile speaker. As you see, it doesn't stick way out. So it has to be a small magnet speaker. And if I buy one, it has to match this transformer. If it doesn't match, then I'd have to get a speaker with its own output transformer. But I think, maybe we can put some paper over there. Some people have had good luck reconing a speaker, and this one is not a good recone candidate, but others have had good luck with just putting a piece of like a coffee filter, a piece of coffee filter in there and gluing it in. As long as I can get rid of the rattle, it'll be fine and keep it balanced. But I'll talk to the owner about that, or he'll see this video, I'm sure. So this is a demo mostly for him, but it also shows this cool radio, so it's a demo for you guys working on them as well. If if you need more information about these Motorola's, it's a real basic All-American 5, like many of the others we've done. So, that's what we got. So if you like this video and want me to add to it or add another part 2, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my videos, please do so. And I appreciate it. It helps me keep my videos online. So there we are. There's the beginning work. All I did was change the electrolytic so far. Thanks for watching.